Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to show or hide display options for update notifications in Windows computers, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The procedure is through the Registry Editor window. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, go to HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, Windows Update. Now in the right pane, we will create an entry and the entry would be named Set Update Notification Level. Right click in the open space, New, TO 32-bit value and paste the name. Double click on it, the value data will be 0. I'll explain the significance. 0 means default operating system Windows update notifications, which means you will get the notifications. If you change it to 1, it will mean that all notifications would be disabled except for restart warnings, and 2 means all of the notifications will be disabled including the restart warning. So I can change it to 1, which would be the best option, and then I'll click on OK. This will solve my problem. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.